Hey Sibnation, welcome back to another episode of Vlogtober. This is episode 8 and it's all about taking it easy, keeping it real and cooking on a budget. Today we are making a simple, delicious meal that is rice, gravy, pumpkin and beetroot. Cozy, comforting and made with love. So let's get started. Let's cook together, chat a little bit, and let's cook this meal together and keep the good vibes going. If you did enjoy this vlog, don't forget to like. If you enjoyed the vlog, like, comment, and subscribe to stay connected with the Sibnation. And siblings, I would like to know, how do you cook your pumpkin? Do you like it sweet, savory, or both? And another thing, let me know on the comment section, what is your go-to budget meal when you just want something cozy and simple? Let me know in the comment section. And yay, pumpkin and beetroot, is it yay for you or nay? How do you like to blade yours? Let me know. Sour, savory, or sweet as well. Your beetroot, how do you like it? Let me know in the comment section. Let's enjoy this meal. Please drop simple well and yellow heart on the comment section. I've also added some laundry clips, these clips that you see. I think they were supposed to be on October episode 5 or 4, but I thought they were deleted. So it's really tough to make a content. You know how you create a content is not easy. But I didn't want to let them go to waste, so I just thought I can just include them here and do this. Yeah, this is why I have put them emails like they were deleted by mistake, but no, that's not the case. That's it for today's Sibnation. Our cozy budget meal is ready and the laundry is done too. I hope you enjoyed spending the time with me, cooking, chatting, and just taking it easy. Sometimes it's not about doing a lot, but about finding peace in little things, a warm meal, clean clothes, and good company. Thank you so much for watching and being part of this journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Until the next vlog, stay cozy, stay grateful, and I'll see you soon, siblings. Bye.